Let's move to this one. This one is the new design. Let's check it clearly about the details. The top part is weaved by the recycled PP material together with the wireframe to make the basket more sturdy. And about the bottom part, we use the 4 wooden legs. This wood is the FSC wood. This item is the assembled items, so you can take out the screws so it won't be waste your container space. Yes, it's very easily for use. You can see closely about the inner. We add the plastic liners so you can put some flowers and artificial flowers into it. And secondly, I'd like to measure the size for your easier reference. About the top part, 21. The height for the basket, 18 centimeters. Total height for this one is 36 centimeters. And about the leg, 15 centimeters. The bottom wood the wood thickness is 3 centimeters. So it's enough for your loading the flowers. This one is also the best seller item.